Good afternoon everyone, welcome you back again our channel. Today we are going to show you two topics here. How to keep mining continue without any problem, and another one topic, how to get your invitation code and refer others. First topic, we are going to show you how to keep continue mining. You have to open this application, and who are not registered yet, please check description, there are register link, you can start mining. How to keep continue mining, now you have to open this application, then you have to click here, and you can see here a search button, and you have to enable these features. You can see here minus. Okay, when you will add this feature your phone, you can chat here, you can share here with your power code. How to get your power code and how it will work, you have to go this section, you will get your power code, you have to copy it and back again here, and you can paste here. Okay, when you will paste here, when someone will use your code, okay, these are very advantage things here. When you will paste here your code and someone will use your code, if you forget mining, the application will continue resume automatically mining when someone will join your code. Okay, I hope you understand these features. You have to go here and copy your code, then come back again and paste here your code. When someone will join, your mining will be automatic work without any problem. And one other things, you can also join their official channel. Okay, you can join here, and you can paste also here your power code, so when someone will use, your mining will work automatically. And I have used this code already, and you can use this code 24 hours one time. Okay, you can check also system message, there have anything update. 1 minute, I think there are no notification right now. You will get any notification from official announcement from here. Now we are going to show you, and you can ask also here if you have any question, the team member will help you. One more things, how do you invite, you have to go this section, you have to go invite rebates, you will get here your code, you can copy also official link, and you will get also your barcode and it will be simple. Okay, my friends, if you have any question, contact our Telegram channel, we will answer you. Thank you friends, have a great day.